Hi guys, it's Shell, Heart of It All Custom Creations. Welcome back to another video. If you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. Hit that subscribe button to see future videos. I post new videos every Wednesday and Saturday. So today I am doing a glittered, transparent vinyl mental health awareness tumbler. So I'm starting with a 20-ounce sublimation tumbler, and I went ahead and epoxied it, or sanded it down lightly, and I'm going to add a little bit of marshmallow into my epoxy. This is approximately 15 milliliters of epoxy, the KS Resin Liquidy Split, and I'm just going to add this to the tumbler and let this spin for about 3 to 4 hours before we move on to adding the vinyl. So the vinyl I'm going to use today is this gorgeous semi-transparent from Maestro Creations, and it is anywhere where you see the color is where it's white underneath and printed the color, so that won't show through, but anything that would be white or clear will show through. So I'm cutting this down to about 9.5 by 8 inches. And we're just going to do a full wrap on this. And it's a very simple, basic tumbler wrap that we're doing. So I peeled back a little bit of that, cut off the backing, and I'm placing it back on so that it's easier for me to apply to the tumbler. Now, this is not a seamless vinyl, so it will not match up in the back, but I'm okay with that. And so I just peel off a little bit of that backing and place it down on my tumbler and use my squeegee to pop any bubbles. For some reason, this particular vinyl gave me a lot of bubbles, so I did have to go through and pop a ton afterwards. And just pull off the rest of that backing as I'm smoothing out the vinyl. And then I do take my craft knife, and just at the very bottom a little bit was a little off. So I just cut that excess off, and then I do take my heat gun to heat up the end of that vinyl to make it curve around that curve of the bottom so that it stays on there nice and flat. And then I'm going to, like I said, go continue and pop any extra bubbles that I might have seen. And at the top of the tumbler, I'm taking my craft knife to cut off just a sliver of that vinyl. And this is why it's imperative you use a very fresh blade, because it did not want to cut that vinyl. So I change out my blade, and you'll see how much smoother it cuts as soon as I get that new blade on. It cuts like butter. So yeah, do that. And then I will put a little decal on the bottom as well, using just some of the scrap vinyl that I had left, just so that I didn't leave it completely blank on the bottom. So I'm going to add a coat of epoxy with a little bit more of that marshmallow in. One more final coat after that, and this is done. Very simple, but so stinking cute. and has so many great messages on this. If you are interested, this tumbler will be available on my website. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a great big thumbs up, and I will see you next time. Bye, guys.